Sometimes I lose my mind, get a little ratchet. Hoes want cash or to get his hard dick. From that place where they move right bricks and the cops say hi with a damn nice stick. Broad daylight and we still hit licks. Rock 10 gold chains and you still ain't shit. Sip a little something, bitch, get a little lit. Just might go M. Night Shyamalan split.
Hello. Richard has just come up with another challenge. Challenge number 2 for the Kooks channel. We've just been watching Pastranaland, where they have a load of pit bikes and they've got a mini track and they all race them. Richard's idea is that we buy pit bikes, everyone buys the cheapest pit bike we can, and we race them around the track. So
however, we need to build a track and we need to buy some pit bikes. So we're going to say cheapest pit bike wins as part of the challenge. First to flip it, that has to be 4 strokes. So I guess now we're getting on the hunt, trying to find some, go get them, figure out what we need to buy for them because we might not even be running.
Gonna get looking for some pit bikes right now and see who gets the first one. So have a look now.
A black suit and a cane like my own. Some might say take a chill, B, but fuck that shit. There's a nigga trying to
right, first one to find one. I've messaged this person who's got a 140 M2R pit bike. This one here. Loving the pink spokes. Pink grips, and that suits me very well, and that's it. 550 quid, I'm going to jump in the van now because they said to come and get it today. They've got a lot of people coming to view it, so if I can go ASAP, hopefully I'll get it. So I'm going to hit the road, go see what it's like, and hopefully buy it. Right, I'm not sure which one it is, so down this lane, like 5th house on the left or something. Right, let's go, see him. Might not be able to film, we'll ask him if we can. Some people might be funny about it, but... Right, just arrived at, well, it's a girl's house. I'm buying it off a girl, she's pink. So just right at her house, she doesn't want to be on film. So I'm going to go in, see the bike, suss it out, hopefully it's a good deal, and we'll chuck it in the back of the van.
That's Richard just off the phone there. He is at the place just now. He's picked up his and they've got another one for sale for £325 if I take it today. It doesn't run, it's got a couple of things wrong with it and it's got a box full of bits, but it's £325, very cheap. That's a photo of it there. A couple bits with it, and I reckon I can get it running tonight, so...
Bikes are showing them here. Come away with 2 bikes, came to get one but come away with 2. I called Charlie whilst we were halfway through the deal, and they had a friend's bike that was there that wasn't really working. They said they needed a new carb or something, so we'll get it home, see what it's like, but it seemed a good deal. We ended up paying 325 quid for the white one, which is a Stomp 140, and I've got an MTR, which is the pink one, which is a great moving thing. That runs, that's good. Chains, what else have we got? Guards, filters. But we'll get them home and try and get them running properly, because even the pink one wasn't running properly, so might need a few bits and bobs we need to buy, but all in all pretty happy. Let's go, head home now.
And then I'm worry free, but that's bullshit. I got a little boy to look after.
Right, just back home, got Charlie's bike here. I think it's just him in at the moment.
But to me it seemed like she was down to get it. She helped me out in this shit. But to me she was just another bitch. Now she's back with her mother. Now I'm realizing that I love her. Now I'm feeling low. My mind is playing tricks on me.
No, the boy said so he wanted to replace the car. I think he's had issues with it, but I was thinking take the carb off, go and clean it. You know, it's like these guys won't be able to do it properly, so we'll get it running tonight.
Easy does it. Clean the carb out.
So I swung and hit the nigga in his mouth. He was going down, we figured, but this wasn't no ordinary nigga. He stood about 6 or 7 feet. That's a nigga I be seeing in my sleep. So we triple teamed on him, dropping them motherfucking bees on him.
Good start for me. My back tire is fucked.
Then I felt just like a fiend.
Going out, I'm going to get pit bike parts because all the ones we bought aren't very good, so.
Goddamn, homie. My mind is playing tricks on me.
You're in the middle, mate. Get fucked. Got parts. It was bumpy. A Oh, drum. So cold outside that my tire, I can't free up the rubber to get my energy bins, that's that. So I'm heating up inside. I'm gonna put some handlebar things on, clutch and brake levers, and that'll be me.
For it, Charlie's gonna do a backflip.
Heads on. Ready, motherfucker, Are these like the test? See if they work. They're gonna break them.
We're gonna kill your ass. I'm ready.
As I grab the Glock, put it to your headpiece. Up the chamber, the safety is off. Release straight at your known homes. I wanna see cabbage. Biggie Small the Savage, doing your brain cells much damage. Teflon is the material for the imperial. Mic ripper, girl stripper, the Henny sipper. I drop lyrics off and on like a light switch. Quick to grab the right bitch and make her drive the Q. 45 blocks and checks are expected when I wreck shit. Respect is collected, so check it. I got techniques stripping out my butt cheeks. Sleep on my stomach so I don't fuck up my sheets. My shit is deep, deeper than my grave, G. I'm ready to die and nobody can save me. Fuck the world, fuck my mom's and my girl. My life is played out like a Jerry curl. I'm ready to die.
Right, so the actual competition that we're going to do, the big competition, is going to be next, like in spring sometime. It is currently January the 25th. So we're going to try and buy bikes, do them up, mess around with them, see how they are, get used to them. So if anyone wants to get involved and come join our competition and try and beat us, you're more than welcome to do so. Get in contact with us. You can come race on our track.
Any repercussion lead to niggas getting wet. The infrared's at your head real steady. You better grab your guns cause I'm ready. Ready.
Yes, I'm ready. Yes, I'm ready.
I'm ready to die.
Yes, I'm ready.
We ain't gonna kill your ass yet. We gonna make you something.
In a sec, I throw the tech to your fucking neck. Everybody hit the deck. Biggie about to
So Rory's bought his pit bike, and it is an absolute shitter. It doesn't start at all. The thing is an electrical problem. It is sparking, so it's got a new card. Let's see if he's going to be able to start it. Just fitted it. Here we go, here we go.
my pocket gets fatter after the hit. Leave you on the street with your neck slit down your backbone to where your motherfucking shit.
6.5 hours later.
I'm ready to die. I'm ready.
Time to go, time to go. We're gonna put you out your misery, motherfucker.
Niggas definitely know what time it is. The notorious one in full effect. 93.